Bigger batch size reduce training time. I'm using CNN for image classification. I do data augmentation with Keras image data generator. I think I'm missing something. In Situation A, I use a batch size of 64, I need 20 seconds per epoch. Situation B with batch size of 15, I need 60 seconds per epoch. Situation C with batch size 256, need 345 seconds per epoch. What I understand. Batch size equals number of image used for weight update. If I got 100 image, with a batch size of 10, weight will be update 10 time at each epoch. Am I right? Steps _per epoch is the number of image generated by Keras data augmenter. Since I assign the value length train_x/batch_size, it should mean batch_size data are used before weight update. Am I right? If my two affirmation are true, it should mean regexing batch size will increase time for one epoch since there will be more weight update. Why my lower epoch time is when I use a batch size of 64. Why I got a big epoch time when using batch size equals 256. Let me know if you know more information or reformulation. Edit. I don't understand why, but when I set batch size equals 256, I have a total number of steps, batches of samples, per epoch of 256 when it should be len train_x/256 equals 58.
The time of update weight almost don't count in this situation. You can check if the calculate need to transfer thing between memory and disk. When use 256 size. You can set up concurrent tasks if you want to use at batch size to reduce time.
If you want it similar, please consider subscribing.